The eagle appears on flags and currency as a static symbol of power, but in the wild, every flight begins with a physical struggle. To get off the ground, a bird weighing 7 kilograms must push against howling winds to gain its initial altitude. That effort starts at dawn, high above the tree line. It is here that eagles build the largest bird nests in North America to serve as their base of operations. By adding new sticks and grass every spring, a pair of eagles constructs a platform that can reach 2 meters across and stand as tall as a small car. This heavy infrastructure provides the stable foundation required to raise the next generation. Since eggs are laid days apart, hatchlings emerge at different times. The first eaglet gains a significant growth advantage before the second egg even cracks. This biological hierarchy means if food is scarce, the older eaglet may kill its sibling to ensure its own survival. To protect the nest from opportunistic predators like ravens and owls, the parents must maintain an aggressive watch and drive off any bird that approaches the cliffside. Newborn eaglets are weak and unable to hunt, meaning their survival depends on the parent's ability to secure meat and bring it back to the nest. This creates a deadline for the adult eagle. It must hunt successfully every day, or its lineage fails. Sustaining flight for an animal with a 2.3-meter wingspan requires specific biological engineering to manage the energy cost of moving 7 kilograms through the air. The internal hardware is designed for lightness. An eagle's skeleton is hollow and filled with air, which reduces the weight the bird must lift. Because the bones are so light, the eagle's 7,000 feathers weigh more than its entire skeleton. At the wingtips, feathers spread open like fingers. This allows air to pass through the gaps, reducing turbulence and making it easier to glide. Eagles also use thermals, columns of warm air rising from the ground, to gain altitude and glide over long distances without flapping. This combination of lightweight bone structure and aerodynamic efficiency allows the eagle to patrol a massive territory without exhausting itself. When the eagle reaches its hunting grounds, it deploys its primary targeting system. Eagle eyes function 2 to 3 times better than human eyes. Aided by a clear eyelet that protects the surface, they can spot a fish or a rabbit from 3 kilometers away. To attack, a golden eagle folds its wings inward to eliminate drag, turning its body into a living missile. In this dive, the bird can reach 190 kilometers per hour, which is twice the speed of a car on a freeway. The strike is executed with specialized feet. Thick leg muscles drive talons the size of a human hand into the prey to secure the kill. Hunting strategies vary by species and location. Golden eagles target ground mammals, even attacking young deer when other food is scarce. Bald eagles focus on water, pulling spawning salmon from the current or stealing catches from other birds like ospreys. Success is the result of combining sensory dominance and high-velocity strikes with adaptable hunting tactics. After a successful hunt, the eagle returns to the nest. Since eagles lack teeth, the parents use their sharp beaks to tear meat into chunks small enough for the eaglets to swallow. At 10 weeks, the young become fledglings and must begin to hunt for themselves. They face a high mortality rate as they learn to navigate weather and hunger during their first year. Seasonal changes also impact the adult eagles. When rivers freeze, bald eagles lose their access to fish and must migrate at 55 kilometers per hour to find open water. Even at the top of the food chain, the eagle's routine is dictated by the requirements of the changing environment. These biological patterns provide a guide for spotting eagles in the wild. Search for bald eagles near unfrozen rivers and coastlines. Golden eagles are more likely to be found inland, scanning over mountainous or flat open spaces. Look for the infrastructure. Scanning sturdy trees and rocky cliffs for the car-sized silhouette of a stick nest is often more effective than scanning the open sky. Observe the flight pattern. Rather than rapid flapping, look for wide, locked wings circling slowly on invisible columns of warm air. The eagle is often viewed as a static emblem on government seals. The living animal exists as a specialized biological machine, engineered to secure its territory through a daily cycle of flight and hunting.